Monkey, bilis.
Pero turuan.
Hindi po siya lang.
Ate, huwag kang mga ano dyan.
Asan ang little na matuwa yung mama mo? Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Walang kopya.
Sure na. Yes, yes.
Teka lang ha. And he came and well.
Yes, I'm sure.
Tita, tapos na daw po ito.
Okay.
Sandali. Tapos na daw po.
Tingnan natin ha.
Check mo tita kung tama.
Okay. Behold, the virgin shall be with child and shall bring forth a son. They shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God.
Yes!
Dapat ano yan?
Dwell in the city called Nazareth, which is spoken by the prophet, shall be called
I mean,
Yes, 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 yes. Sino na?
Panalo ka.
Sino na po panalo?
Okay.